Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Cece Da Silva and this week I've got some tips and tricks for you guys on how to make you feel put together or a little bit more attractive or prettier or whatever you need just to make you feel a little bit more comfortable in your own skin. So let's get into this video. Just a quick disclaimer for everyone. No one can tell you you are not beautiful. Perfection is not beauty. Perfection is someone wanting to look like someone else. You are beautiful if you are unique and you look different from everyone else. That is what beauty is. No one can tell you you are not beautiful. I don't care if you're a girl or a guy or who you are beautiful the way you are. Nobody is exactly the same as you, and that is a very good thing. Otherwise, we would all look the same and no one would like each other. I can promise you that. So, if you are new, please click on the little subscribe button and let's get into this video. My first little tip is to get a lot of sleep. I know everyone says you should get a lot of sleep, but most people are right. You should get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep a night. So why is sleep important to us? It will help your mental health. It will help your skin. The skin will look more beautiful and more healthier. It will make your hair look healthier. It will reduce those black circles and puffiness under the eyes and just an overall better appearance. If you care about things like your appearance and your skin and things like that, you can sleep on a silk pillowcase. It will prevent fine lines and wrinkles, and it will also help with acne, and it will also help with your hair to keep it more healthier and silky. So my second little tip is to be hygienic and smell good. So if you are around someone that doesn't smell that great, you don't really want to stick around. But if you're with someone that doesn't smell bad or smells good, then obviously you want to stay in their company for longer. So just take care of yourself. If you want to use perfume, you can use perfume or spray something to make yourself smell a little bit better. But if you're just hygienic and you wash and you take a shower, you won't smell bad and people will not be repelled by you. So just smell good. Be hygienic. I did a little video on tips and tricks on how to be more hygienic. You guys can check that out. I will link it down in the description. Tip number 3 is to have better skin. How do we get better skin? Well, if you drink 8 glasses of water, it will moisturize your skin and make your skin feel better already. Then at night, before you go to bed, wash off all those makeup and oils and anything that's stuck on your face. Please exfoliate at least twice a week, and then remember to moisturize your skin, and before you step outside, remember your sunscreen. These little tips will also help your skin be better and make it look more glowy and just feel better. So number 4 on my list is to have clean hair. So your hair, obviously, if it's not styled or not clean or not combed, then it will look obviously like you've not been put together. So just a little tip is to clean your hair. If your hair is oily and dirty, wash your hair. If your hair is not combed or not looking nice, just put it in a cute little bun or a little ponytail if you don't have time that day. But just comb your hair at least twice a day before you go to bed and when you wake up in the morning. Your hair will make your outfit or your look for the day look instantly better. If you're going for an interview or something like that, style your hair, comb your hair, just make yourself look presentable. Your hair has such a big impact on your overall appearance. So just put a little bit of effort into your hair and that will make you look instantly better. So number 5, probably one of my favorites, is to have manicured nails or just to have presentable nails. If your nails looks presentable and it's clean and it looks good, you obviously look put together. But if your nails doesn't look good and it's dirty and it's not taken care of, it immediately impacts your appearance. And for the guys, long nails, dirty nails, guys, nails has to be short and taken care of. It will make you look instantly better. Number 6 is to wear clothes that is your actual size. So I know of people that buy clothes that is bigger than their size and clothes that are smaller than their size. If you buy something that's bigger than your size, I know the oversized trend is a thing right now, but some pieces you can't buy oversized. It just makes you look bigger. If you buy something that is your actual size, it just makes you look more put together and it makes you look better. But if you wear something that's a size smaller, it also makes you look bigger because it digs into your skin and shows all the things you don't want everyone to see. So just buy your actual size and it will make you look better instantly. So just a little note on sides. If we are all different, we look different, we have different body types. No one looks exactly the same. You are attractive the way you are. If you feel attractive and you look attractive to yourself, then that is the way you have to look. Guys don't want a one specific person. They don't all go for one specific body type, one specific hair type, one specific. Everybody has their different tastes, and nobody likes exactly the same thing. So just love your body. If you if you look different from everyone else, it's a good thing. You're unique. You're attractive in your own way. There's someone that likes that type of body shape, someone that likes that type of hair color. So just be who you are and wear the clothes that actually fit your size and be proud of it. So if you wear something that is a little bit stylish or a little bit cuter than all your other outfits, you know there's something special in your cupboard that when you put that on, you are like, yes, I look good in this. And that's the type of clothes that you should wear. You should feel good about yourself. So when you go and do some shopping, try something more in that line, something more of your specific style, something that you like to wear that makes you feel special. That will also instantly just make you feel better and just make your outfit look a little better. So, number 7 is to use a little bit of makeup. I know this is not for everyone, but this really helps me. So just to put a little bit of concealer, a little bit of mascara to open up your eyes and curl your eyelashes, a little bit of blush, a lip liner, lip gloss. It will make you look instantly better and it takes literally like 2 minutes. So that's just my little tip to make me feel a little bit better. And the natural look, to look naturally beautiful these days, is more stylish and is definitely a trend. So my tip number 8 is to have soft lips or have lips that are taken care of. So when you have dry lips and your lips don't look healthy, that obviously does put a damper on your whole appearance. So to get soft lips, you can do a lip scrub every 2 to 3 times a week just to make your lips look a little bit more soft and presentable. Another thing that you need to do is take care of your lips. Put some lip balm or chapstick on your lips to make it look more soft and to be soft and just take care of your lips. A little DIY lip scrub that you can use. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it all together in a little glass jar and scrub your lips with your finger twice a week to get all the dead skin cells off, exfoliate them nicely, and you will have beautiful soft lips. And keep on using your lip balm or your chapstick every day. So, tip number 9 is to have clean, white, healthy teeth. So, white, healthy teeth can instantly make you look better. And it does make you look healthier, it makes you look wealthier, it makes you look educated, it even makes you look younger if you have well taken care of white teeth. Just a little tip for our girls. If you want to make your teeth look whiter, then use a tinted lip balm or a color like a deeper color lipstick or lip liner like I'm using right now to make my teeth look whiter and look healthier. So tip number 10 is to have moisturized soft skin. So that is your skin on your body. Take care of that. Moisturize your skin after you took a bath and at least twice a week exfoliate your skin. It will also help you to drink more water to exfoliate your skin, and that is so attractive. Soft and smooth skin. When someone touches you, obviously not now because we have COVID, don't go around touching people, but soft, wonderful skin will make you look and feel more attractive. Tip 11 is to drink more water. So what will this do? It will flush out all the toxins in your body. It will clear up your skin. It will make your skin look better. You'll be hydrated and instantly you will just look better. So drink your 8 cups of water a day, guys. It has so many benefits. But I know it's also difficult for some people to drink water, myself included. So in the winter, I drink warm water. Yes, I do. I drink lukewarm water because I can't drink cold water because my teeth is very sensitive. But also for water tips, you can put lots of different things in your water. You can put some lemon in your water, or you can put some drops in your water to make it flavored water. Just get your water in, guys. It will make you look instantly better. So tip number 12 is to have a better posture. So this is one of the things that I really struggled with, or still struggle with, is to have a better posture. But if you have a better posture, you look more presentable, you sit up straight, you stand up straight, you just look better. So I will link a few different exercises down below to correct our posture and to make our look more put together and presentable. Point number 13 is to be more confident. To be more confident in yourself. So if you are not confident, fake it till you make it, girl. Fake it till you make it. But to be confident, it just shines out that you are confident and it makes you look so much better. If you walk in a room, you keep your head up, you look up and you're not crouched down behind your phone. Just present yourself. Look confident, feel confident. It will immediately make you look instantly better. So just shine out the confidence, even if you don't truly believe it inside. Fake it till you make it. My second last step is to be positive. Just put on a smile, guys. Just be positive. People don't like to be around negative energy, but people are drawn to positivity. So smile and be positive and just enjoy life. Life is too short to go around being moody and sad, and you will just push people away. Just be positive. Smile. Be happy, guys. My last point is to love yourself. Just love yourself, guys. You are unique. You are beautiful. You are a wonderful person. Just love yourself. If you did something that you were proud of something special, just give yourself a compliment. Radiate positivity, guys. If you love yourself, that is what you'll do. You'll radiate the positivity and people will be drawn to you. It will make you look instantly more beautiful, more put together, more loved. Just love yourself. Before I go, let me leave you with a little quote. So it says that beautiful has nothing to do with looks. It is what you are as a person when you are around other people and how you make them feel. So, there you have it. Beauty is not only the outside, it's not only the inside, it's a combination of how you feel, how you treat yourself, how you treat others, how you look, how you feel. So I hope everyone got something out of this video, a little tip or a little trick, or just to know that you are special and you are unique. But I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.